Saudi Aramco, Safety Officer, Evaluation Exam, Question and Answer. Question: what is the maximum voltage of a portable electric tool? A. 110 volts. B. 115 volts. C. 125 volts. D. 220 volts. Answer: C. 125 volts. Question: crane operation shall be stopped at wind speed above dash kilometer per hour. A. 24. B. 28. C. 32. D. 36. Answer: C. 32. Question: the contractor shall provide one toilet for every dash worker. A. 15. B. 20. C. 35. D. 50. Answer: A. 15. Question: when there are openings in roof work and or at edges of roofs, and a fall hazard exists, barricades must be installed capable of withstanding a force of A. 100 pounds, 45 for kilograms, B. 150 pounds, 68 kilograms, C. 200 pounds, 91 kilograms, D. 125 pounds, 56.7 kilograms. Answer: C. 200 pounds, 91 kilograms. Question: the Saudi Aramco Sanitary Code states that A. eating is allowed on the worksite. B. you shall provide one toilet for every 50 workers. C. you shall provide drinking water and a dipper. D. none of the above. Answer: D. none of the above. Question: which answer is incorrect? Contractor safety officer shall A. advise on ways to prevent injury to personnel, damage to property and fires. B. be the only person responsible for all health and safety at the worksite. C. look at ways to improve existing work methods. D. advise their management on changes in safety requirements. Answer: B. be the only person responsible for all health and safety at the worksite. Question: handling and storage of flammable materials include A. any metal container holding flammable liquid must be FM or UL labeled. B. transfer operation should be carried out with funnels and there should be on open flames within 6 meters, 20 feet, of the operation unless conditions warrant greater clearance. C. transportation must always be in closed, plastic containers. D. none of the above. Answer: A. any metal container holding flammable liquid must be FM or UL labeled. Question: how long is a work permit usually valid? A. 1 month. B. 1 week. C. 1 shift. D. 1 day. Answer: C. 1 shift. Question: fire extinguisher type B is used specifically for A. wood, paper and fiber materials. B. electrical fires. C. oil, solvents, paint, plastic and synthetic materials. D. none of the above. Answer: C. Oil, solvents, paint, plastic and synthetic materials. Question: when transferring an extremely flammable liquid from a 55-gallon drum via a hand pump to a small metal safety can, which of the following provides the best protection? A. Ground both containers. B. Bond both containers together. C. Bond containers together and ground each to separate ground. D. Ground one container and then bond them to other. Answer: D. Ground one container and then bond them to other. Question: in order to use stepladder's safety, A. Two men should be on ladder at the same time to balance the ladder. B. Never stand on the top step. C. Stepladder should be used to gain access to roofs or other elevated surfaces. D. Lean it against the wall for support. E. All of the above. Answer: B. Never stand on the top step. Question: what should people look for when inspecting hand tools before use? A. Check the load rating. B. Missing or broken parts. C. Electric rating. D. Load rating. Answer: B. Missing or broken parts. Question: which of the following is true concerning explosive-proof equipment? Explosive-proof equipment is allowed to operate in a flammable or explosive atmosphere because it is capable of A. The explosion, if it happens, will stay inside the container. B. Not producing sparks under any condition. C. Operating below the auto-ignition temperature. D. Shutting down the equipment serviced in an emergency. Answer: B. Not producing sparks under any condition. Question: how long should the appointed fire watch remain at the site of hot work after the work has stopped? A. 10 minutes. B. 15 minutes. C. 20 minutes. D. 30 minutes. Answer: D. 30 minutes. Question: the following lifts are considered as critical. A. Multiple or tailing lifts. B. Nighttime crane lifts. C. Crane suspended personnel platforms, man baskets. D. All of the above. E. AC only. Answer: D. All of the above. Question: cranes shall be inspected by the crane operator, dash. A. Daily. B. Monthly. C. Prior to each shift. D. None of the above. Answer: C. Prior to each shift. Question: when lifting over or adjacent to process piping, etc., what is required? A. Hold tag. B. Welding machine. C. Rigger 3. D. Hot work permit. E. All of the above. Answer: D. Hot work permit. Question: what is used to control suspended loads? A. Slings. B. Guys. C. Taglines. D. Shackles. E. All of the above. Answer C. Taglines. Question: identify 2 things that must be done to make sure hand tools do not cause injury. A. Properly ground and bond them. B. Inspect them and use them safely. C. Check the Saudi Aramco approval. D. Check the certification and sticker. Answer B. Inspect them and use them safely. Question: identify the hazard associated with hydro testing. A. Toxic exposure from the water used during testing. B. Unexpected failure of the equipment under test. C. Release of hydrogen sulfide or hydrogen. D. Corrosive action of hydrogen on human skin. Answer B. Unexpected failure of the equipment under test. Question: identify 2 things that should be done before using portable electrical equipment in damp or wet locations. A. Install grounding clamps and discharge electricity. B. Discharge electricity and inspect the equipment. C. Inspect the equipment and use GFCI. D. Tape all insulated wires and use GFCI. Answer B. Discharge electricity and inspect the equipment. Question: the top edge height of top rails shall not be less than dash and not more than dash above the working surfaces of a platform. A. 0.95 meter, 38 inch, 1.27 meter, 50 inch. B. 0.89 meter, 35 inch, 1.15 meter, 45 inch. C. 0.95 meter, 38 inch, 1.15 meter, 45 inch. D. 1.016 meter, 40 inch, 1.27 meter, 50 inch. Answer C. 0.95 meter, 38 inch, 1.15 meter, 45 inch. Question: what is the purpose of a hold tag? A. To isolate or de-energize equipment. B. To work the job safety. C. To explain the reason why the equipment is being locked out. D. All of the above. Answer C. To explain the reason why the equipment is being locked out. Question: crane boom shall be kept dash feet from overhead power lines up to 50,000 volts and dash feet over 250,000 volts. A. 10, 20, B. 15, 20, C. 10, 25, D. 15, 25. Answer C. 10, 25. Question: you need to inform the operator of heavy equipment to stop work. The operator is in the cab operation the equipment and is wearing ear defenders. What should you do before approaching? A. Shout loudly to the signal man. B. Establish eye contact with the signal man. C. Establish eye contact with the operator. D. Shout loudly to the operator. Answer C. Establish eye contact with the operator.